I'm just literally on the farm road and some gadget's broken down. He's dead nice though, so I'm towing him up to the farm and parking him in the yard so I can get someone to come and recover him. There's me just mucking out casually, like bombing around with my headphones on, and then he turns up, I'm like, ugh! Just come down the lane, thank God we were in the actual tractor. Look at this bad boy. Not that it's interesting, but this wall is coming down. When I say it's coming down, I mean it's coming down, but it's coming down. If you can look, this is the narrowest bit of the lane, and to be able to get the milk tankers in, this wall's got to disappear. So we literally will be taking it away. It is just far too narrow. It's narrow, obviously it's narrow because bits keep falling off it when you drive down. But yeah, that's a boulder, man. That's a boulder. Put that on your feet, would you? Don't ask me to pick it because I'm not. I could, but I'm not. That is it. The first of Sheila's daffodils to come out. Yes, life. I literally timed my whole year on these plants. Boy's just come to join in the road form fun, and he's tried to take them up without the mole grips. With what seems like brute force. Sort of working. Boy's so rough with them. Like, I'm not saying it's not working, I was taking every single one out and placing it down nicely, and then I was taking one road foam off at a time. Roy's literally like, to be perfectly honest, these road foams they're all fair straight, aren't they? They're not like, there was only one or two that was slightly bent. We did get them when we did the lane, that some lazy bastard had literally picked them out with the digger teeth and bent them all, and it was absolutely horrendous. Oh, there crows over there. I'm doing paperwork. Oh, it's just awful. So this here is going to be the cubicles. And Dean is busy diggerying very neatly. So the cubicles are going to be raised, obviously. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at him go. He's artistic, isn't he? So yesterday I took all these road foams off. So me and Roy are outside, and if we were to give these animals a bale of this, they would not eat it. They would not eat it. Yet if you spread it on a bed...
It's about 5 years old.
It's about 5 years old. Fun times, girls, fun times. Like, honestly, if you wanted them to eat this, they totally wouldn't. Oh, she's got attitude, look at that. Oh, she's naughty. Oh, come on. The cows just got out and I shouted Winnie hoof. Ignore my hair. It's in a process, let's call it. It's not really meant to be this vibrant. So you might be wondering what the hell I'm doing. So I'm basically putting gear oil on the road forms with a big brush so the concrete doesn't stick to it. Artistic. Picasso. I've lost my rake. It's like deja vu. But to be fair, It's what you're getting. You don't have a choice.
If I can bear it now, but I'm not going to move away from there. No, I'm not going anywhere. She's got that thing that I love. She might be from above. She's got that thing that I love. Recognize these hazy eyes. She's taking me to a paradise, but I know that there's chaos in her mind. No, I'm not going anywhere. She's got that thing that
Is it just for that? It's a nice circle. Do you want a jigsaw? Is that the sound effects? Hello. Helicopter. I don't know where though, because I'm in the shed and I can't see it. It's not as impressive as the other day. He's doing it to taunt me now. Today I was meant to be at an NFU farewell Matters dinner. If that's what you can call it. I think it was like just a lunch with her as the speaker, basically. Gutted though, I've had to not do that because we are set, but obviously you see what we're doing, we're setting concrete. And then on top of that, all of the work is still to do. We're just going to take some silage up for the heifers. We don't want too much because it overflows and then just makes a mess. It's exceptionally busy. Do you know what? My hair's actually growing on me. I'm not keeping it this colour, but it is growing on me. I wanted it more ginger, copper. Like the other day I did a video of me and Anna, and I was totally jealous of Anna's hair, and she's my child, so I was like, oh, I want mine more like her. It's gone rather on the red side. I would have maybe preferred it more on the orange side, but never mind. Actual perfection. Aviation updates. Did you see him try and get away? Did it on purpose. Bit of concrete less than what we should be, so he's dropping off at the end of the lane for us. Oh, that's what I bought. Thank you. This is my new bucket. Thank you. Bye. That's it. That's it. Excited about my office. So this here is gonna be my office, right? With a window here, right? And a door there. Can you see where he stood? That's a door. That there is staying like that. So I've got a viewing balcony area. Oh, viewing balcony. Just be still. I'm gonna be able to have parties on my balcony. Yeah, hon, just come round. I'm just on my balcony. Gary's laughing at me. Your flaming red hair. Yes, sir. Look at the sky, isn't it pretty, Gary?
Oh yeah.
Dead nice. Right, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching. Just come inside, just made some tea, and we're just going to finish off outside. I appreciate all of you. I know I say that every time, but I'm going to continue saying it because it's true. Thank you very, very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As Andrew Ward says, subscribing costs you nothing and it does help me out an awful lot. So please do hit the subscribe button. I love you long time and I'll see you next time.